Hello everyone, welcome back if you're back. My name is Ces and I am a little bit early for work, and it's going to be uh and I am still in the middle of redecorating. Recently bought a sofa bed that's brown, boucle, curvy-ish, and it's a sleeper. Almost all my criterias are ticked off. But then it turned out to be a little too big for the space. The problem with it is that it's just one piece. Given that it's already big, buying another set would make the space look so small. It will look too tight and crowded already if I even attempt. Even a smaller one will make it look a little off already. So I wasn't happy with that all modern couch. And then I decided to switch it from the left to the right side because it looks so big on that side and so obtrusive, you know what I mean? So just a quick update on the sofa, which I am on right now. It is extended as a sofa bed. As you can see, I have a problem with it staying put when lying down, especially if it's the two of us lying down. Plus, I feel like it's a little bit bulkier than expected. 5 inches, way too wide for the space, so I might have to return this. Unfortunately, I will have to pay for return shipping, but I just don't want to settle for something that I'm not really happy with. You know what I mean? I'm spending a lot already and might as well just put the money in the right bucket, you know? There's even such a saying. Right now, it's not fine. I've already sold another desk, so I need a sideboard on that side. I just might have to settle for something that doesn't really check off all my criterias, all my wants and needs. So it's either I settle with a brown couch, the dark brown velvet that I really like, but it doesn't have the curves, the softness when we talk about shape. But it seems to be very comfortable. Plus, it's a sofa bed, is like a standard sofa bed. You pull it out, and our guests can be comfortable just like a regular bed. Not like this. This looks more like a futon, which is my big no. I mean, it's not like the regular futon that you see around. Of course, it's more luxurious. It's got that different feel because it's also boucle. But then the functionality of it doesn't serve the purpose that I'm looking for, at least. So, yeah, I might have to return this with giving away $200 for return shipping. Oh well. Or I can go back to an off-white cream couch, which I really miss, to be honest. I miss the lightness of having an off-white couch in this space because it's a really small space. It's a condo, right? The off-white makes a big difference in a small space. It has the curves that I'm really going for. It is not a sofa bed, but I'm not going to buy two separate couches. I'm supposed to get another one because it's just not as functional when it comes to the both of us, Mr. M and myself, watching TV. We both want to lie down, but I don't want it to stay this way for forever, like all the time. I want my living room to look like a living room, like a luxurious space, as we all do, right? I am thinking a sectional that has the curves that I'm looking for. It's not going to be a sofa bed. It's not going to be velvet either. Maybe, unless I find something else. And it is not going to be brown. But I'm thinking I already have all the browns around here, accessories. I'm going to do another video about that, how to add brown into your space without spending a lot, without getting a new couch like I am doing. So it will still work, even if I'm not going to be able to check off all those four criterias. A brown, velvet, sectional, sofa bed with soft curves. Those are my criterias. I think it's has gone up to 5 from 4. The sectional is actually, let's just put it at 5. Those are my 5 criterias, which is really very hard. You know, if you have 5 criterias, it will be very difficult to find something like that. I will show you what I end up with. Final answer.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, that's an update from all these Soho hunt that I'm doing. So I've gone through IKEA, I've gone through Crate and Barrel outlet, I've been online, and I ended up going with this all modern futon ish, sofa bed ish, and I think I made a mistake. We all do. Even designers do make mistakes, right?
All the way with you, oh, oh. I wanna go all the way with you, oh, oh. It don't really matter what they...
Okay, let's go.
And then Pottery Barn outlet. There wasn't really much to see here. It's my favorite among all the outlets around here.
It don't really matter what they say about you.
So I saw some options,
I wanna go all the way with you,
but we'll have to check
oh, oh.
Pottery Barn and Weston first.
Way with you, oh, oh, yeah. Go all the way with you, oh, oh. It don't really matter what they say about you, oh, oh. 'Cause I wanna go all the way with you, oh, oh, yeah. Can I go? Can I go?
4,055 for this sofa. It has a nice curves. It's white to white, but nice frame, and it matches this. I think chair and a half, which is 2,065. And I just want to share with you the pricing on these furnitures at the Restoration Hardware outlet, just to give you an idea how it goes in an outlet.
Okay, let's go.
1,140 for this. This is 520, which looks like it matches that rounded, cornered, curvy-ish sofa. 1140. It has the rounded edges that I like. It's not really the color that I'm looking for, but it's possible to change my mind. I don't know. That's velvet that I'm talking about. Velvet rounded edges and soft brown. How much is it? 5,175 outlet price. This is 1,970.
with you. Oh, it don't really matter what they say about you. Oh, I wanna go all
4,195.
the way with you, way with you. Oh, I wanna go all the way with you.
1,786
Oh,
on
it
clearance.
don't really matter what they say about you. Oh, I wanna go all the way with you, way with you. Oh, can I go all the way with you, way with you? Oh, can I go all the way with you, way with you? Oh, it don't really matter what they say about you.
3,730. It's the brown that I like. If it's leather, but not considering leather at all. And this is 4,450. 3,465.
All the way with you, way with you. Oh, I wanna go all the way with you, way with you. Oh, it don't really matter what they say about you.
1,140. This is only 866. It's firm. It's very firm.
Here, there, and everywhere. I believe in us. Yeah, I believe in share.
So that's only 546. This one is 3,930. That's the perfect size for my space, but it's too boxy. And this one is 3665.
Way with you. Oh, I wanna go all the way with you.
It's like the perfect size. Very firm, 3730. Curvy, but too white. Very firm, and 5950. Outlet price. But it's the quality that you're paying for here. A whopping 7,660. This is really a nice sectional, well built, well made, looks good, and it's 4,490.
Yes, I spent a return fee for it, but I just don't want. I feel like I will not be happy with it. Well, this is with Mr. M's Go Signal. Again, I am in the hunt, searching high and low, here and there, going to outlets, going online, and there's this one piece, or let's just say two, that is up there, but I missed the Memorial Day sale, which is a 25% off, and I don't want to pay more than that, so I might have to wait. I might have to deal with this situation where we don't have anything in the living area. No sofa, no, well, just the armchairs from the dining room, the dining area, or the benches. That's the situation right now, and I can show you how it looks like. It's not like we have guests anyway. That's how it is, and like I said, I'll keep you posted. All right, so that's it for today. I hope that you stay tuned for all these updates. Okay, thank you so much for watching. My name is Ces again. Until the next one, love and light to all. Remember, style is what you make or break. Bye.